Hey dude, why are you sleeping? You skipped Tuesday video, it's already Wednesday. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry man. No worries, no worries. Let's not tell anyone and we'll pretend that today is a Tuesday and I'm making Tuesday video. Okay? Yeah, sure, no one will know it. Bam! First thing I will tell you about is Material UI. Okay, you heard about it yesterday already. But yesterday I just got familiar with it, and today I was totally confused. I'm a backend engineer, and I usually work on backend, as you can, as you understand by the name. But yesterday I had to work with React.js with the front end, and what I found is that we actually use Material UI in our project. And I was implementing a totally new component, and I implemented it using Material UI as well for markup. Yeah, and what can I say? My opinion is still the same. It really reminds me Bootstrap, and it has also flex grid. It has buttons. It has all that thing you had in Bootstrap. It's just a different design. It's a Google-based vision of how design and web app should look like. Yep. If you didn't check it yet, go to show notes. It's there. Yeah, go and check it. I did another code challenge review today, and I found that the guy uses service workers. I heard this thing somewhere, this name somewhere, but I honestly have no idea what is it. So I went to Google and I googled it, and what I found. So workers are needed for your application to make it work in a multi-threaded mode. Like you have a web worker which you can use to really just spawn a different thread, and I didn't really dig deep into it, but it doesn't share any memory with your main application, but it uses send messages interface. Like you send message, you receive message. So you interact using messages between your different threads. And service workers is a more comprehensive thing, and it has also ability to cache something. So the main purpose of it is progressive web applications. Progressive web applications is kind of a way to work with your way to make your app to pretend that it is in online mode when it is in offline mode. Like you cache some requests, and when your user is in offline, I don't know, in plane, in the underwater submarine, it can still use your library, your web application like it is online, but you obviously don't have a Wi-Fi underwater submarine. Or yeah, sometimes you may have it in plane. I don't really think that this idea is viable enough for now, but as I definitely know, Create React App uses it for assets caching. So service workers is the thing which performs your network requests in background mode and cache everything. Yeah, definitely worth to check it. Worth to check it out. Pum, pum, pum. Three. It's one, two, three. So the thing is fast JSON API gem, Ruby gem. I suppose you know Netflix company. Everyone knows it. It's quite big and really techy. I stumbled upon this article about a couple of years ago, and just today I heard about this article again in RV Pod. It's a Ruby podcast. Few words about this gem. In Ruby on Rails, you have thing which built in Rails for your models to be serialized in JSON, and it's it's not bad and it works. No one really checks its performance, but Netflix is really picky about performance, which really makes sense because because of their app, because of Netflix, they have millions of users. So they implemented their own implementation. They implemented their own implementation of JSON API serialization, and they named it Fast JSON API. Yeah, and it's just faster than Rails built in, but it's faster like in from 25 up to 40 times than built-in serializer. I didn't try it because we don't use Rails in my application, but it's worth a try if you do some serialization. Dude, you're so boring. You're speaking only about technical stuff today. Tell me about something else. Okay, Finn the guy. Today my friend recommended me a new podcast. We were discussing yesterday's Tim Ferriss show podcast I was telling you guys about, and he recommended me James Abraham Altucher show. I will put it in show notes. And the guy told me that this is like the same idea as Tim Ferriss show, but it is not so geeky, and yeah, it is also worth to check it out. I didn't listen it yet. I just downloaded. I subscribed, downloaded, and probably today or tomorrow I will check it, and I will tell it to you and to you. This is it. Thank you very much. Try to learn something new every day, and subscribe to my channel.